Put it right in. Put it right in this box.
Has he guessed yet?
No.
You didn't guess Santa Claus?
Ho.
How's Cadu going?
Good.
Does Tolly like it?
Yeah.
He does. Did he do charades?
What charade?
When someone tries to guess what you are.
We're doing that.
You are?
Yeah,
How's it going?
That's called zip.
Oh.
What was that? Dada goes. Mom, Tolly gets Dada goes.
Okay, that's close. Do you like playing Cadu with Tolly?
No.
Why not?
He grabs the board. He's grabbing all of the stuff.
So he's not very good at it?
And I shouldn't just choose the green one for him because I got hacked out for him.
Maybe when he's bigger.
Yeah. Maybe I could choose someone else.
Maybe. Tolly boy!
And it's probably easy.